Hey, what's up? This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. And in today's video, I'm answering a YouTube subscriber question about Santander subprime auto lender wins big. Well, the state of Mississippi won big against them. And this individual was asking about if they filed a Chapter 13, will they, they're included in the uh, lawsuit where they were supposed to get some type of restitution back from Santander, admitting that they had some problems with the loans or problems with the way that they were collecting on it. What would happen in their situation? And just to clarify the difference between a Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcy, Chapter 7 is where you just wipe out the debt. Chapter 13 is where you made a repayment plan on the debt, and that's usually could be up to 36 months. And so, if you had a Santander loan and it was included in there, or any type of loan that was included in a Chapter 13, and something came about to where the company did a settlement for something that was, where they admitted wrongdoing, or maybe they don't admit, but they're just doing a settlement to be able to move on. And you've been making payments all of this time, and you're wondering what happens with what your situation with dealing with that creditor. You can go to your attorney that is handling your Chapter 13, and you can ask for them to get all of the payments that were made to them back. You can do that, get all of it that was made to them back. Now, I'm also going to tell you about a situation that happened with an individual that was paying a debt collection company for repossession that they had with Santander. And what I told them to do was to contact the debt collector, and then you can notify them that that this loan uh, is supposed to be pulled back from Santander, that your state was included and your loan fit the criteria of that time period. And what they might try to say is that they're going to either contact Santander, or they're going to try to follow up with you about if what should be happening with your particular loan. It does not matter. You should force them and send them letters, and also send letters to your state attorney general's office to get them to give you all of that money back. Because if you were included in that settlement, or potentially included in the settlement, uh, you're supposed to get all of that money back that you paid a debt collector. We've seen it happen with other clients. It can happen for you. All you have to do is notify them that your loan met that criteria. If you don't know what the criteria is, go to the Santander multistatesettlement.com website. You can look it up online. If your loan was within that criteria, if you were within the states, that with the 34 states, and there's other states that have been added on their own lawsuits lately. And if you fit that, and you have a debt collector that is trying to collect from you, or you've been paying a debt collector, you can request that you have all of those funds back. If you have a debt collector coming after you and you haven't paid them anything, you can send them a notification that your loan is supposed to be sent back to Santander for forgiveness. Let them work out all of the details. You just want to get them to stop coming after you, and then and if you paid them any money, you want to get them to give you your money back. All right, I'm going to end the video here. That's what you should do. And that's, if you have a Chapter 13, this is what you should do. You should contact your attorney to get that money given back to you if it fits the criteria. Have your attorney look at the lawsuit to see if your particular loan fit the criteria for the Santander multi-state settlement. All right. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, what makes us different. We have a process, 8-point validation process that we use to repair credit and get out of debt. Because sometimes to repair your credit, you're going to have to do some debt settlements. And if you don't have your copies of your credit reports, because you need to know what all is going on with your credit reports, visit the website, your3scores.com, to check out and get your credit reports and scores. And you can look in the comments section about what's going on with a particular negative account that you have. If you have debt collectors coming after you, I have my cease and desist collection activities letter. This letter works very well with getting debt collectors to stop that don't have all the information to collect on the debt that they've sent a demand letter out for. Also, the statute of limitations letter. Watch out for debt that has been purchased that has passed the legal statute of limitations to collect, or quote time barred period of time to collect. And also I have the debt validation letter. So all you have to do is click the link below. Links are below this video for all the different services and those free letters. All right, this is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. Thank you, and until next time.